Welcome to Smart Technology Equipment Center. The channel specializes in providing the latest information on smart technology, modern equipment, and advanced solutions to improve the quality of life. Whether you are looking for innovation to optimize your home, workplace, or simply want to update the outstanding technological advances, we always accompany you on the journey to explore the future world. Don't forget to click subscribe to not miss any interesting content. Let's build a smarter, more modern life with us.
Fire today. Let's explore two super robot vacuum cleaners and mops' powerful assistants, helping to free your hands and bring perfect comfort to your home. House Sparkles Light Bulb Dream X30 Ultra Smart Choice with white heavy checkmark powerful suction power of 8,300 pascals. Helps clean every corner. White heavy checkmark mop extend and self-cleaning mop system with 140 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. Optimize hygiene. White heavy checkmark integrated technology to automatically refill, dry the mop, and smart carpet cleaning ability. Glowing Star 3IS 10 Ultra Super Powerful and Modern with white heavy checkmark huge suction power of 13,000 pascals. Leading the market. White heavy checkmark unique water recycling system helps save water and energy. White heavy checkmark self-cleaning mop, automatic washing and drying, ensuring absolute hygiene. White heavy checkmark advanced AI technology to avoid obstacles for a smart and safe experience. Rocket don't miss the opportunity to learn more about these two cutting-edge devices. Watch until the end of the video to find out which robot is best for you and receive a special offer exclusively for our customers. Wrapped gift. Backhand index pointing right, click play now. Play or pause button and leave a comment about your favorite device. Model 1. Dream X30 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. 8,300 pascals suction. Mop extend and self-cleaning mop with 140 degrees Fahrenheit water, detachable and lifting mop, self-filling, self-drying mop, smart carpet cleaning, hands-free self-maintenance mode. The vacuum can empty the dust bin, refill water for mopping, and wash the mop and washboard, ensuring the machine stays clean and saving you time cleaning. Mop Extend Robo Swing technology glides under low furniture. With the latest technology upgrade, you can easily tackle stains along edges, deep in corners, and reach under sofas as low as 1.57 inches. Rewash the mop and remop the floor to tackle stubborn stains. Smart Dirt Detection. Rewash the mop and remop the floor, scrubbing away dirt stuck on the floor twice, ensuring your home stays clean. 8,300 pascals suction power to pick up heavy dirt. Sweep your carpets or hard floors cleanly. The powerful suction leaves no room for hair, dirt, and other debris. On-demand carpet cleaning service. Are you tired of cleaning your carpets regularly? With a removable and lifting mop, you can choose a cleaning strategy from low to high pile, ensuring your carpets are always dry and clean. Self-cleaning base. The washing pad can be washed together with the mop, reducing the amount of residual stains and the frequency of manual cleaning. AI actions in 3D structured light. X30 Ultra recognizes and avoids up to 70+ types of objects asterisks such as shoes, cables, and others. With built-in LED lights, your robot recognizes obstacles and cleans effectively in dark spaces and dark rooms. Experience detailed cleaning with top features. Supports 2.4G Wi-Fi only. Model 2. 3IS 10 Ultra Vacuum and Mop Robot with Water Recycling System. 13,000 pascals suction power. Extendable self-cleaning mop. Automatic mop washing and drying function. Self-dumping and refilling. AI obstacle avoidance. World's first water recycle system. No need to manually change water. No need to drain or install. 3IS 10 Ultra Vacuum Robot pioneers the water recycle system. It distills wastewater and captures moisture in the air to produce pure water. ensuring an endless supply. This eco-friendly design eliminates the need for water supply and drainage connections, allowing for flexible placement anywhere in your home. Ultra Reach Extendable Roller Mop. This self-cleaning robot mop operates at 330 RPM, increasing cleaning efficiency by 153%. It has 12 nozzles to provide a steady stream of distilled water and generate a continuous mopping pressure of over 7 N. The built-in scraper keeps the roller mop sparkling clean, while the automatic extension allows for precise cleaning along the walls to the millimeter. 13,000 pascals super suction. The industry-leading 13,000 pascal suction can easily remove dust, hair, cat litter, carpet dirt, deep-seated dirt, etc. during daily cleaning. The 3i-S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum automatically recognizes the carpet and adjusts the cleaning mode based on the preset modes. Dirt Scan Cleaning Strategy. Dirt Scan enables the S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum to see and think for itself with blue lights and advanced AI algorithms to clean according to the most optimal strategy, avoiding obstacles perfectly. Combined with Apex Vision D2F LiDAR, dual 3D structured light ensures more efficient and precise navigation, deep cleaning even in the dark. Dual Anti-Tangle Design. Dual Comb Anti-Tangle Main Brush allows the S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner to easily handle various types of tangles. During cleaning, the blocking comb and brush work together to effectively prevent both human hair and pet hair from tangling on the main brush. After returning to the base station, the robot reverses the main brush, activates the detangling comb, and increases the suction power to suck the hair into the dustbin. Truly hands-free. Automatically add herbal cleaning solution. 3i-S10 Ultra can clean and dry the mop itself. The wastewater will be distilled into the dustbin and go into the dust bag. Automatically refill with pure water after the water cycle. The 12-in-1 base station of the vacuum cleaner robot can clean itself with a capacity of 2.5 liters to ensure 60 days of dust-free. Intelligent and humanized. 3i app creates a 3D real-time map and enables the S10 Ultra Vacuum Cleaner robot to perform automatic cleaning by AI or set up your own cleaning strategy. You can also control it through Alexa and Google Assistant to complete your cleaning needs. The robot supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi.
If you find the video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Also, follow Smart Technology Equipment Center to wait for other useful smart products on the topic of smart technology. I will leave the product link below the description for those who are interested.